Good morning, student. Hope all of you well. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, revolt in Meghalaya. Okay. In this chapter, mainly tribal revolt chapter, we are discussing in your study material various important aspects about Munda rebellion and others important rebellion. But in this video, we are going to discuss Meghalayan rebellion. Okay. Well. We all know nowadays if you go to northeastern part of the India, mainly Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, etc. This type of state, you find various type of tribal community. Okay, the Khasis people. The Khasis is a group of tribal people, the majority who live in the state of Meghalaya. They live in the hilly region of Jaintia and Garo hills. Okay, so this Khasis people showing revolt against British power. Okay, now under you 12 Singh. Okay, rebel against the British. But why they showing British revolt against British? The main reason the British government in those days, British government wanted to create a road between Brahmaputra and Surma Valley. Okay, Brahmaputra river and Surma Valley, and this new road was supposed to pass through the Khasi hills, which would lead to the displacement of many Khasi tribes. Okay, that's why that's showing revolt against the British in 1829, 1833. Okay. But there is a story. Story is that we all know British government in colonial India, British capture all over Indian subcontinent. That means Afghanistan, North Afghanistan in those days, northwestern to Burma days. Okay, Burma. Okay, now with this Myanmar. So Surma Valley is very important for Burma. If you want to capture Burma in nowadays Myanmar, you have to control Surma Valley. That's why British government wanted to create a huge road between Brahmaputra and Surma Valley. And this is the main reason. That's why Khasis people showing revolt against British in 1829 to 1833. Okay, but this revolt is not success. Again, in 1830, later in 1830, again they are showing some revolt. Now, what is the reason? In these days, British government introduced new type of tax system in northeastern, like in house tax, income tax. This type of tax they are introduced in this area. But this time you can know. You can know. Yes, UK, under the UK Nongba, they again showing revolt against British government. But this time they are failed, and Kyang Nongba was hanged publicly and British government suppressed this revolt. Okay, and last time in 1872, the British sent an army, established their rule in the nearby Garo Hill. Okay. Garo Hills. In those days, British wanted to create some establishment, political establishment, Garo Hill, and the Garo people are showing revolt under the leadership of Pa Togal Sangma. Okay, under the leadership of Togan Sangma, but this revolt also defeated by British and this revolt also defeated by British, and after that northeastern tribal people not showing any type of big revolution, big revolt, but sometimes they are showing some little bit revolt, but this type of revolt are not success further. But the question is why they are showing so many type revolt against British government. First of all, you have to understand what is the lifestyle of the northeastern tribal people. Mainly look, those days, previously I said, East India Company and later British government wanted to conquer Burma. But Burma, if you looked up geographical location of Burma, it is situated at the east of Indian map, India. Okay, that's why Northeastern play an important role to connect it with Burma. So, East India Company making roads, establish their power on Jaintia, Khasi, this type of bills. But this type of activities hampered tribal life. That's why they are showing various time river. Yes, although they are showing huge river during 1829 to 1833, 1860, and later 1872. But these all rivers are failure. But later they are showing some river. But these are in a not a large amount, but in a short area, in a small amount. Okay, but this type of small amount river not working properly, and all type of rivers are failed. Okay, so this is the main reason behind that. This is the main reason. Main reason is East India Company or later British government wanted to capture and control Burma. Clear? This is the main reason behind the revolt of Meghalaya. So students, hope from this video you will understand what is the main reason behind the revolt of Meghalaya. And if you have any question, then you can ask me. And I hope now this topic is easy for you. Thank you.